of the transport associations in Zimbabwe and in Harare. They superintend over the 12,000 combis that operate in Harare alone. There are other members of the association that were not at this meeting, but we will rope them in. The purpose of this meeting was to try and see how we can deal with the transport jungle that Harare has become, and also how can we bring order to the transport system, and also how can we then deal with the national transport associations, that is the intercity associations. So we have agreed on a number of issues that we are going to be operating from. We will make sure that intercity buses will no longer operate from town. That was a measure that came about during the COVID when ZUPCO was operating in full force. Now that ZUPCO is not operating in full force and these transport operators are no longer franchised with ZUPCO, they have to go back to the system where they have to collect people not from towns, but they will collect people from designated ranks. We will have a meeting with them again to explain that, and we've asked our enforcement authorities to enforce that provision. Intercity buses will no longer be operating from the city center. We have also come up with a mechanism to deal with how we improve the ranks. We are going to be levying a rank development fee from the combis. The quid pro quo is that we will reduce the annual rank or the quarterly rank fee that they've been paying in favor of a dedicated rank fee or a development fee for that particular rank. The rank fee will be at $1, and that rank fee will be ring-fenced to be paid to that particular rank and develop that particular rank. We are also going to discuss before Thursday, when we hold the full council, a range of mechanisms that we are going to implement in agreement with the associations. We are also going to register the associations that will be operating within town, and no operator will operate without belonging to an association and complying with the rules of those associations. We are going to limit the number of associations annually, which is going to be reviewed, and the association are going to agree as to the constitutions that they will be using and the conduct of the members of the associations. We are also going to come up with environmental measures in terms of how we are going to make sure that our environment is clean around the ranks and everywhere else. So we think that this has been a very good meeting with the associations. We are happy that they came to council, and we are going to implement these measures so that we can be able to transport the public in a safe manner, and they are also able to operate in a manner that is visible and safe. Thank you.